Find out about making money online here. Making cash online could be achieved if you put your mind into it. In fact, it takes very few supplies to get going. That said, you do need to know the right tips and tricks to help you be successful, so read on. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. You can earn money tutoring others. Thus, teaching online is a good way to make money at home. Both Tutor Vista and Smart Thinking offer opportunities for people who have a lot of knowledge in certain core areas. If you enjoy it, you may find other avenues for this choice. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Utilize your writing talents to write an ebook to sell online. You can share your knowledge and your passion for a particular topic, and earn money in the process. Think about writing out your recipes, handyman knowledge or anything else you are skilled at. Create honest reviews of some of the new software that is out on the market today. Software Judge is a site that will pay you to try out this new software and create a review of how good or bad you think it is. This will skyrocket your earnings if you can do this often. Keep the information from this videos in mind, and press forward to a new way of life. When you use your time for learning, you'll be prepared when you start. Search online for other videos to learn more so that you can make sure that you have financial success. Student loan.